back here with the Mustang, and today I'm going to start the nitrous install. Got a kit from Nitrous outlet, and I'm going to start mounting the bottle. Alright, the bottle's going to go something like that. I got the brackets here. Alright, so this is pretty much what it's going to be like. Got the position I wanted in. Pretty good. I'm just going to mark the holes. Alright, so I found out I gotta drop the fuel tank. I wanted to do this right, because I gotta get right under there. And you can't get under there when the fuel tank is up. So I went ahead and did that. And now I'm gonna drill out the holes. Alright, that was a pain in the ass, but it's done. The bottle's mounted. Fuel tank's back up. Ready for the next thing. Alright, so I got the nitrous feed line into the engine bay. It runs along there, runs all the way down there, out through there, and bam. And now I'm going to start messing with the solenoids, find a good place to put them. Thinking right along here somewhere. We'll see. Alright, so this is where the solenoids are gonna go. Got a location there.
What?
Where everything lines up.
Oh, what's up, guys?
This is Jason.
Hey, YouTube.
This is Adam. Alright, guys. Just got my wide open throttle switch installed. Pretty much now I just got all the wiring to do. Oh, and the intake. Need to drill a hole in that. Alright, I got the fuel line hooked up here. Just the fitting included with the kit. Go into the solenoid. Hooked up the nitrous one. Alright, so I went ahead and got all the wiring done. Got the solenoids, got the relay there, wide open throttle switch, and got the arming switch in here. And putting that there because gas is gonna come out. And when you hit the switch, solenoid's open. And now, just gotta get the bottle filled and mount the actual nozzle.
This is my friend Byron. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jason. My dusty old 5.0 twin turb ski with 200 shot of wet nitrous. Make sure you subscribe and smash that fucking like button.
Alright, YouTube. So I went ahead and installed the nozzle in this. I'm probably not gonna get a metal one. We'll see how this one works. I'm gonna start with a 50 shot. Got the nozzles here. I'm gonna put them in.
Dina. Let a rip, tater chip. Oh! Yo! What?
Like fog come out?
No.
Dude, they gave me compressed air.
What the fuck? You know what they say in school, boys and girls? Spinning ain't winning. That's why. That's why. We got some ball there. Let's try this piece.
We're ready to test this thing out.
There you go.
Shot. See what happens. Okay. We are spraying. I gotta open up the bottle. Oh, we didn't tighten that one down there, did I?
Don't scratch the pan.
Ooh.
Ooh. What is that, mold? Oh, that's a good kind of mold, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is this one. If my calculations are correct.
Bingo.
Hey, motherfucker.
Shit.
Holy chicken. It's got to go down.
Oh shit. Dude, I'm on fire.
What's the problem, Jack?
Can't get the trunk to shut.
Oh.
There we go.
What? I think it's this one. Short ride to Mexico. Just a little fast forward.
Do a 4th gear pull, no nitrous first. And we'll compare it. Start at 3,000 RPMs.
She need a little pick me up, that's all. Oh jeez.
All I gotta do now is floor it.
Wait, what?
Definitely felt something. I got a better idea. Definitely feel something.
Yeah.
It's not much.
It's
We
not
gotta go
much.
back, put the 100 shot in.
Going back and putting the hundo in. Oh! Shit! Blowing the tires right off in 3rd gear.
Yeah, it's just like.
Ooh! Do it. Hit him with the milli rock. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, oh.
Is that dinosaur food? It is dinosaur food.
T-Rex food. He's got the T-Rex on.
Eating off the same fork.
Mm-hmm.
It's alright. We'll just get some chicken.
Chicken ball.
Welcome. You got mail.
Fucking pump, dude. My diabetic pump.
I hit him this hard, and I was like, and he fell.
He's diabetic penis. We got some diabetics over here?
Right? Doesn't that shit look from some desire? I got that desire for the desire, you know?
It's
Alright,
not
what are you
bad.
doing over here? He's about to put this on a ring and be a pimp. And start pimping hoes on Lennox Avenue. No food for you, you black.
Whose egg roll is this?
Eat it. Eat the egg.
Oh, it looks like egg sack.
Man, taste your egg sack.
Hey, there's some more right there.
Taste your egg sack.
ripped off.
Eat it, bro.
With the
Are
old.
you gonna eat it or not?
I'm good.
Yeah.
We ready for a 100 shot?
We got him in. Ready to take it for a rip.
Do you have any good decks?
That was 4th?
Yeah.
Holy fucking shit!
Yeah. That was 4th at like 2,500.
Oh my god!
Damn.
Holy shit! You heard that, man? That was 4th gear spinning.
It doesn't hook for shit.
Need a tire on this bitch ASAP. Yo, it just wants to break loose. No, I got one.
I seen that. They got Byron.
Undershot is
Lethal.
definitely good.
Spun with ease in 4th gear.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. Holy shit. Yo.
That's insane.
That's fucking crazy. Blowing the tires off in 4th gear. With ease.